Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shopify Payments for online sales, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Shopify Payments for online sales, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on Payments to access payment settings. In the Shopify Payments section, select Activate if it's not already enabled. You will be prompted to enter your business details. Provide the required information, including your business type and address. Next, fill in your banking details to ensure funds can be transferred to your account. This includes your bank account number and routing number. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions presented. Ensure you understand and agree to the terms before proceeding. Click on the Complete Account Setup button to finalize your registration. Shopify will now verify your information for accuracy. This process may take a few moments. Keep an eye on your email for any verification messages from Shopify. Once verified, you will receive confirmation that your Shopify Payments account is active. You can now return to the Payments settings to review your payment options. Here, you can also enable additional payment methods if desired. Test your setup by placing a test order on your store. Make sure to check that the payment process works smoothly. Monitor your orders to ensure that transactions are processed correctly. If issues arise, consult the Shopify Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start selling online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.